everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Let's learn how you can make these very creative and fun craft at home. So we are going to fold this yellow color of paper from the side. Now using scissors we are going to make multiple cut here. Now we are going to cut it from the top as well and make the edge round. After this we are going to paste it using glue. Your fish is ready. Let's put the fins and eyes of the fish. We are going to use these green color of paper, make the tail as well, and look, it is ready. We are going to make these finger puppets. These are birds, so let's make them. Here we are going to take the green color of paper, make multiple fold, again fold it into half. You can see the crease here, so mark it like this and again fold it. We are going to make the beak here. Now we are going to take the orange color of paper for the beak of the bird and paste it on the top of it using glue. We are also drawing the eyes and look, it's ready. You can also add few more lines on the top of it. Put it inside the finger and look, your finger puppet is ready. Look at this fun craft. Let's make it at home. So take this yellow color of paper, make multiple folds, and we're going to make two such papers and paste sticks around it. Now we're also pasting the eyes and some colorful strips. We're adding these black strips. Cut the extra part and look, your beautiful bee fan is ready. We're also pasting the wings of the bee and look, it is ready. We're going to take this orange craft paper, draw the shape of the fish, cut it. Now we are going to make multiple cut at the center. Using a cutter, paste the eyes of the fish. Now take some green strip of paper and we are going to put it inside the cuts. Look like this. We are making the checkered pattern here and look, your fish craft is ready. Here we are going to make the frog. So take the green craft paper, fold it and make this semicircle. Now cut it at the center. We are going to paste the eyes as well. After this we are going to make the legs of the frog, paste all of them. Let's make the tongue here. So we are going to take the red color of paper. We are also pasting a straw on one side of it. Roll the tongue and put it inside the hole like this and paste it inside it as well using cello tape. And look, your fun craft is ready. Here we are going to cut these different shapes from craft paper, and first we are going to make the chick here. Using double-sided tape we are going to paste the ice cream stick. Now we are going to make the colorful Easter egg. So take out your colorful crayons or sketch pens and color it. You can draw different designs like this. Let's make the egg now. We are going to make a cut as well. Using double-sided tape we are going to paste it on the top of the chick like this. Similarly we are also adding these two together. Finally, we are going to combine these two together and look, your fun craft is ready. Here we are going to take this yellow color of craft paper, fold it into half. Now we are going to fold it from the corners. We are going to make this triangular shape. After this, we are going to fold it again and we are going to pull the paper and tuck it inside. Look like this. First, we are going to make the wings of the butterfly. So we are going to again twist it like this and look, it's ready. We are going to draw lines on the top of it and look, your bookmark is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.